This is not just a Range Rover. This is the SV, the ultimate expression of power, elegance, and presence. From the very first glance, it captivates. The front end is bold and commanding, with a grille that radiates strength and headlights that slice through the dark like precision-cut blades. It's a face that says, "Nothing else compares." Follow the lines and you'll see perfection in motion. The silhouette is clean, muscular, impossibly refined. It's the balance of strength and sophistication, the kind of design that looks just as natural pulling up to a black tie gala as it does conquering untamed roads. The wheels? Immense, sculpted, glistening like jewelry, but built with the authority of performance engineering. And the paint? Liquid depth, flawless sheen, colors that shift with the light as though the car itself is alive. Turn to the rear, and it's pure mastery. Sleek taillights glowing like fire, an elegant tailgate framed in confidence, a design that whispers luxury but declares power. Step inside, and the world changes. This isn't just an interior, it's a sanctuary. The seats wrap around you in handcrafted leather, quilted with precision, designed to cocoon you in comfort, no matter the journey. The dashboard stretches across the cabin in seamless harmony, where modern digital displays meet rich natural materials, wood, metal, leather, each chosen with obsessive care. The infotainment responds instantly, fluid and intuitive, as if it knows what you want before you touch it. Every control is weighted perfectly. Every button feels engineered for satisfaction. Ambient lighting glows softly, transforming the atmosphere with every setting, making each drive an experience tailored to your mood. Silence reigns inside. The outside world fades, replaced by a serenity that only the SV can deliver. An engine that delivers effortless power, surging forward with confidence and control. It doesn't just drive, it dominates. The Range Rover SV is not just about luxury, it's not just about performance, it's about presence. It's about redefining what it means to arrive. This is more than a vehicle. This is Range Rover at its very peak.